Let's practice. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. You can also ask about days and dates. What day is it today? What is the date today? 10. Sağlık ve düzenli alışkanlıklar. Health and habits. Now let's talk about health and daily habits. Taking care of your health is very important. I eat healthy food. I exercise every day. I go to the gym. I take a walk in the park. I drink a lot of water. Let's practice. I eat healthy food. I exercise every day. 11. Kapanış. Closing. Teşekkür ederim. Bugün benimle pratik yapmanız için teşekkür ederim. You did a great job. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you are doing very well. Keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the better you will become. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't worry. Just keep speaking and listening. See you next time. Girish. Hello, and welcome to this English learning video. In this video, we are going to practice English together. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand everything. Don't worry if you don't understand something at first. You can listen again and again. Repetition is very important when learning a new language. Are you ready? Let's begin. Birinci kendini tanıtma. Introductions. Let's start with introductions. It's very important to know how to introduce yourself in English. My name is your name. What is your name? I am from your country. Where are you from? I live in your city. Where do you live? Now let's practice. My name is your name. I am from your country. I live in your city. You can try it now. Say it out loud. It's very helpful to practice speaking. Let's add a few more questions to your introduction. How old are you? What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? Do you have any brothers or sisters? You can say, I am your age years old. I am a student. I have one brother and two sisters. Now let's practice together. How old are you? I am your age years old. İkinci günlük aktiviteler. Daily activities. Bu bölümde her gün ne yaptığımız hakkında konuşacağız. This is very useful in everyday life. Let's start with the morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I leave the house at 8 a.m. Now, let's talk about what happens during the day. I work at my office. I study at school. I go to meetings. I write emails. I read books. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. I watch TV or listen to music. I read before bed. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Now, let's practice these activities. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. You can also talk about your routine. For example, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Üçüncü yiyecekler ve içecekler, food and drinks. Let's talk about food and drinks. This is important when you go to a restaurant or shop. Let's start with the things we like. I like pizza. I like pasta. I like sushi. I like ice cream. Now let's talk about drinks. I drink water. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink juice. Let's practice. I like pizza. I drink coffee. You can also talk about things you don't like. I don't like broccoli. I don't like chocolate. I don't like soda. Now let's add some food names. Pizza, sandwich, burger, salad, soup, chicken, rice, fruit, cake. Try to repeat these food items after me. Pizza, sandwich, salad. 4. Hobiler ve ilgi alanları, hobbies and interests. Let's talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you do for fun. What do you like to do in your free time? Here are some examples. I like reading books. I like playing sports. I like drawing and painting. I like watching movies. I like traveling. Now, let's practice. I like reading books. I like playing football. You can talk about your own hobbies. For example, I like swimming. I like playing video games. I like listening to music. Beşinci insanları tanımlamak. Describing people. It's important to know how to describe people. Let's practice describing people around us. She is tall. He is short. She has long hair. He has short hair. She is wearing a red dress. He is wearing a blue shirt. She is happy. He is sad. She is smiling. He is angry. Now, let's practice. She is tall. He is short. She has long hair. You can also describe your friends or family members. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. Altıncı hava durumu. Weather. Let's talk about the weather. This is something we talk about every day. It is sunny today. It is cloudy. It is raining. It is snowing. It is hot. It is cold. It is windy. Let's practice these sentences. It is sunny today. It is cold outside. It is raining. Now let's talk about the seasons. Spring is warm. Summer is hot. Autumn is cool. Winter is cold. Yedinci yön sorma. Asking for directions. It's important to know how to ask for directions when you travel. Let's practice. Excuse me, where's the bus stop? How do I get to the supermarket? Can you help me, please? Is it far from here? Turn left, then go straight. Let's practice asking for directions. Where is the bus stop? How do I get to the supermarket? You can also practice giving directions. Go straight. Turn right. It's on the left. Sekizinci alışveriş, shopping. Now, let's talk about shopping. These are useful phrases when you are at a store. How much is this? I would like to buy this. Do you have it in another size? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I get the bill, please? Let's practice. How much is this? I would like to buy this. You can also talk about what you need. I need a new shirt. I need some vegetables. Dokuzuncu zaman sorma, asking about time. It's useful to know how to ask about time in English. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 2:30. It's 5:45. It's 7:15. Let's practice. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. You can also ask about days.